Good afternoon, viewers. This is Nkansah Media, KNUST, and we are here live in the Great Hall at KNUST for the maiden edition of the Vice Chancellor Students Awards. And we have with us here a great personality. So, ma'am, please introduce yourself.
I'm Professor Miriam A, Nkansah, Deputy Director of Student Affairs in charge of Housing and Welfare, and I'm also a faculty member at the Department of Chemistry and chairperson of the maiden edition of the Vice Chancellor Students Excellence Awards, which we also refer to as VCSEA.
All right. And as she said, this is the VCC, and we'll ask, ma'am, as the chairperson, what was your motivation? What inspired the Vice Chancellor's Excellence Students Awards?
The Vice Chancellor constituted a committee to look into appreciating students and a couple of weeks ago, and that is in the mandate that was given to the committee, which I chaired. We were supposed to come up with different categories of awards and look out for excellence in different facets of student life. And so we were given a few areas to look at, like student leadership, sports, cadets, among others. And then we were also given the free hand to include other categories based on our findings as we started work. So we added 9 additional categories to make 12 categories of awards. And under these 12 categories, we also have subcategories. So this morning and then this afternoon, 47 awards were given to students.
Wonderful. This has been a wonderful initiative from the management of KNUST. And we also wanted to ask, as a growing population, KNUST keeps growing every year. Are we to expect this on a yearly basis?
Yes, listening to the Vice Chancellor's speech, she was very clear in her mind that she expects this award, which has been instituted, to continue even beyond our time, so that every year the university will take stock and look out for opportunity to also reward our students who are excelling both on campus in Ghana, nationally, and then beyond. So this is definitely going to continue. And because of how beautiful this day has been, I have no doubt that next year it is going to be more competitive. This year, because we had a very short time to plan and execute, the publicity reached out, but a lot of students were ill-prepared in terms of what we required of them to have a complete application. There were documentations they needed to put across, statement of purpose, essays here and there, and not many students have that kind of package ready to apply.
Yes.
So that, as they say, luck comes to the prepared mind. It's for those who are in that space, who are used to preparing dossiers for such awards, who found themselves ready to put up applications. So now that it's open and students are aware and they are expectant of the next edition next year, I'm definitely sure that some have started putting down their nose and creating their portfolios for next year's. So next year definitely will be more competitive and more patronage, and hopefully more sponsors will also get on board.
Yes. Next year will be more competitive. I will be there. I will receive some of this award. Yes. And this has been KNUST Nkansah Media. It was great seeing you. I have been your host, Hilda Afobabo. See you later.
Thank you for having me.